Oh, and this is going to be a quick video of me visiting the Camel Active Factory in Vietnam. There's multiple locations all over Southeast Asia, but this is one of the main ones that Van's mother works at. She is like the head director with her own office and everything. And we were going to do a little party today to celebrate all the main employees who are keeping everything afloat. That is the company. Camel Active used to be part of the Camel cigarette brand, but they rebranded away from the cigarette brand and renamed itself Camel Active. It used to be Camel Clothing Wear. This is her plaque, which is actually made of complete gold. She started off as a receptionist in the front and just worked her way up. That's the original owner of the company, the CEO, or the one who started everything.
When did he pass?
Yes, this is his thank you letter. You can pause it and slow down. Oh. And just reread it. But unfortunately he did pass away just last year, a year ago, from filming this. I did a little magic show and it was a little exhausting. We got to take a tour of the whole place, and it's just so cool seeing how the factory operates. We walked around. They only made about 15% of all the clothes that they produce at this one location. They have, again, a bunch of stores and factories all over Southeast Asia. Seeing everyone work in sync was pretty cool. This is the fluff that they put into jackets. She's just cutting it up with this giant blade. I mean, it's kind of frightening that it might cut your hand. This is the storage area where they store zippers, cloths, and equipment, etc. And that lady right there, we had 3 different little tour guides. They were so nice. This gentleman is making sure the fabric is all okay. And this lady makes the tiny little holes, the tiny pockets, when you have pants. They make jackets and pants here, vests, and suit jackets also. Look at them go. This is a button puncher. Yes, it goes boom. Now inside it was quite warm. It was relatively hot. Well, hot for me as an American. This is how they make the pants straight and unwrinkled. They blow hot steam. This is where they color the pants. You can see all the finished jackets right in this area. And this machine just flips pants. That's all it does. Which I absolutely love. These are giant washer machines after they dye the pants, and they're incredibly huge. Now those are some dryer machines. The previous machines were washer machines. They had me push the cart around. Now with testing types of fabric, they have this machine right here, which initially pulls the fabric and creates tension and records all the data. And this is the Vans right there in the yellow. And this is how they make the tags. Just one by one, just punching it. And I just want to say thank you for watching this far and finish till the end. It's not very long. Feel free to leave a like. It really helps me out, and subscribe. Thank you so much. So this is all the finished products, the pants, and they initially assemble the pants in pieces. Here are the pockets.
Oh, that's the pocket.
Just put them all together, one by one, and one person does one thing at a time.
Oh, wow. And then she's gonna put it together. To the shape like this?
All these fabrics and pants. We had almost 3 different little tour guides, and they were so sweet to show us around. This is the pants area. This is her making tiny little pockets, which is so cute.
The front, the back.
This is where they record what types of fabrics go where. And here's everybody working diligently. I highly respect this. And here is one of the jackets with the fluff inside. Now, these jackets do all get sent to Europe. Not a lot of people buy jackets in Vietnam since the weather's always hot, above 80 degrees. And they make these jackets. There's the little green one, the fluffy one, and then the navy one that goes on the outside. They actually zip up together to create one fluffy, super warm jacket. And you can buy each piece. The video was short. Thank you so much for watching again. Here's us making some, the seaweed thing that's been a huge trend lately. It's been the new superfood. You just put water in it and mix it up. It's salty. Thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe. You're the best. Bye-bye.